2026 Honda Civic Sedan Hybrid. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?